I'm Jonalyn Buana, the first millionaire of Paycheck. Paycheck is the best.
Hi, I'm Kevin De La Serna, a grade 11 student from Cebu City, and I'm the second millionaire of Paycheck. I love Paycheck.
I am Charis A. Elardo, a registered nurse, and I love Paycheck.
I'm Mitzi Apilar, proud to be a businesswoman, soon to be a millionaire in Paycheck, and I love Paycheck.
I'm Richie Birami, and I am a call center agent, and I love Paycheck.
I am Rain Gonzaga, a full-time mom. In Paycheck, dare to take risks and see where your brave heart can take you.
Hi, I'm Maria Christine Ricarte, a former performer and a certified supermom. Paycheck, your number one.
Hi, I am Jeffrey Michael Benitez and a public high school teacher and a certified top earner at Paycheck. Fulfill your dreams, make it into a reality. I love Paycheck.
Hi, I'm Norbert Susminia from Cebu City. If you want something you never have, then you have to do something you never done. Paycheck is the name.
Hi, I'm Ron Chilipasana, online entrepreneur, founder of Grabang Assassin. Let's enjoy life, Paycheck. I'm Luis Pino from Ormoc City. Paycheck is the best affiliate marketing. I love Paycheck.
I'm Vincent Recamacho of Cebu. In Paycheck, I will be a millionaire. And Paycheck is love.
Hi, I'm Marjon Pontilar from Panabo City, and I am a human resource officer, and I found Paycheck as the best.
Hi, I'm Nancy Deliger from Valenzuela City, a customs broker by profession, and became a Paycheck Top Earner in just a month. And I love Paycheck.
Hello, I'm Lindo Romano from Cavite. Sobrang thankful ako sa business na ito dahil in just 1 month kumita ako ng 200,000 and 1.5 month kumita na ako ng 300,000. Nakasama pa ako sa top earners. Sobrang blessing ito sa akin at sa family ko. That is why I love Paycheck.
Let's enjoy life! Paycheck!